Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pida ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate shilong.
Nadu kasngi balalap yu nongpang banikong uban ngat yu kenyang jengpang COVID-19, hakani kanong ba shilong, ubalong doktor ang ba jong ka Bethany Hospital shilong. Kinong pang, kinong ap nongpang, kin nurse, kin doctor, bat kiwe di kinong tray jong kanika hospital, kilahap ban saabay hakani ka hospital. Habakran halor ka jing bar ka jings jong kini ki breu ki bala sakot ha Bethany Hospital u menteri rang ba kani ka jilla u Konrad Kongkal Sangma u laong baka sarkar klasim kia ya kani ban penkare ano shua yaki shaki isolation center ki bala perkare hakaleng kanong ba shilong bat yaki tu bala dap test bat ki balong negative on sa penkare ano shua yaki shaki ni ki jaka na ka banta karsaus ngi ban kemi shua yaki jinglong jingman ka kwat ki kia jongki.
Also, there are some concerns about the people who are in Bethany right now. And I would like to inform all of you that the protocols have been set and the people who will be testing negative, they will be shifted out to other corona care centers and to other isolation wards. And that process also will start today. We have, as I mentioned, almost close to 600 isolation wards and those wards will be utilized to keep these people for minimum 14 days in the isolation wards, even though they'll be testing negative. So this process also is on because we would like to keep the people out of Bethany as far as possible. But as mentioned, there needs to be strict protocol that needs to be followed out here. And at the last, I would like to thank everyone. There has been a lot of support from the public. I've seen many civil society, NGOs, individuals that have come out and have really expressed their desire to help in this situation by providing food to the people who are in the corona care centers. Friends, it's a challenge for us because certain restrictions and movements and protocols are there. So it may not be possible for us to immediately respond to the support that you're showing. But I do take this opportunity to thank you, and we will try our best to connect with all of you and get all your help and support. And secondary contacts are normally people who have indirectly come in touch or have indirectly been to a location where the person could have gone. Like in this case, the institution that we mentioned is a location, and a lot of people visited Bethany Hospital, and therefore they felt that they should be tested. So you will be in secondary contact, and therefore it will be a process that the protocol will have to follow. You need not worry. Please be cool and be calm. Just ensure that you maintain your social distancing and protocols. Of course, as you know, that out of the 118 cases that the results have come out for, most of them are staff from Bethany, and therefore it means the staff of Bethany, most of them have tested negative. So therefore, the secondary contact is something that is at a distance right now, but it is our duty to contact trace and ensure that we have a complete list of all the people who could have been in indirect touch or contact with the concerned patient. Also, there are some concerns about the people who are in Bethany right now. And I would like to inform all of you that the protocols have been set, and the people who will be testing negative, they will be shifted out to other corona care centers and to other isolation wards. And that process also will start today. So friends, at the end, I would like to once again reassure you that we are moving forward, and we are ensuring that all steps are taken. There are challenges. It's not that everything will go smoothly. It's a very big operation with a lot of individuals involved, a lot of government machinery involved, and there are certain challenges that we face. But I can assure you that we will be resolving all those challenges that come ahead. I once again urge that in a situation like this, it is not just the government alone, but it is the society that has to come together. So I would once again appeal that we must come together, work together, and we must ensure that we maintain our social distancing, maintain our personal hygiene, and we can overcome this particular situation.